Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Wenje. In today's video, I want to explain how to use lime orange, matches, and needle. If you check the inside of this plastic rubber, we see that there is a needle in this rubber. Are you with me? This one is already mixed. So, how to use 7 pieces of lime orange and a matches. If you always complain about bad luck or you want to remove the mark placed on you, the mark that block you from your destiny helper, are you with me? So this is what you need. This is what you need. This matches, you need a pieces according to your age. Are you with me? If you are 30 years old, you are going to count these 30 pieces. Are you with me? If you are more than 30 years old, you are going to count this according to your age. Are you with me? And you need 7 pieces of needle. Have you seen? This is needle. You need 7 pieces of needle and 7 pieces of lime orange. Are you with me? So, what are the benefits of this lime, matches, and needle? It end, promise, and faith. If you have a spiritual mark, any mark that they have placed on you that block you from to locate your destiny helper, are you with me? When you apply this simple method, by the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. So, how to do it and how to use it.
ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí ìwọ lọ́ba tá à ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ gbóhùn wá. torí lọ́la kó fàyà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ lọ́la kó fàyà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ ewé á jẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jẹ́ dìgbọ́ ewé ń jẹ́. àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ kó fàyà kú ọlọ́run ọba ìwé ń jẹ ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọ̀jà ṣe ti gbọ́ ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o bó bá rí wúrà àsọdànù bẹ́ẹ̀ ìwé ń jẹ lẹ́yìn ọlọ́run ọba ohun tó fi ṣe wúlò fáwọn ọmọ ènìyàn.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Wenje. If this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070 3742 2552 or you message me on WhatsApp 090 5333 2747. So in today's video, I want to quickly share with you how to use a lime orange and matches and needle. If you check the bottom of this rubber, I think you can find needles. You understand? It has, already turned to black. Are you with me? So what are you going to do with all these materials? The first thing you are going to do, you are going to count these matches according to your age. If you are 30 years old, you get 30 pieces of matches. If you are more than 30 years old, you get 35 years. You are 35 years, you get 35 pieces of this. You can use this if you are above 25 years. You can start using it from 25, 26, 27, 28. You understand? Please do not use this one for your children. I'm begging you in the name of God. So what are you going to do? You get empty rubber just like this. You now put the 7 needles in that rubber. Have you done that? So after that, you cut the lime orange into 2 and you collect all the water. You put it on top of the needles. You understand? All the 7 limes. Are you with me? I'm not talking about lemon. It's not lemon. Oh. It's not lemon. So after that, you don't have anything to do with the back of the lemon. What you need is the juice. You squeeze it on top of it. You can throw it away, or you can use it for another thing. Are you with me? So then after that, these matches, if you are 30 years old, you are going to count 30. What you need from these matches is the edge. This edge, this one. You scratch it on the floor or on the table. You grind it very well. Then now put it on top of the lime orange. Are you with me? You mix it very well. Have you done that? So you can do this in the night, or you can do it in the morning and use it in the night before you sleep around 8:30. And you must do this assignment on Tuesday. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. You can do it anytime. If you always have bad luck, maybe you have sex with someone, and after the sex, you begin to have sex in your dream, you eat in your dream, you have attack, you have contact with cobwebs. So you can also use this. Or you use it once in a month or once in a year. Are you with me? So after you mix it very well in the night before you sleep, you put your middle of your finger, you just touch it like this. Not that you are going to pack all the water. Just touch it like this and use it, apply it all over your body. Are you with me? Apply it all over your body. When you apply it all over your body from 8:30, so when it is 9 o'clock or when it is 9:30, you now use water to wash every part of your body. So the remaining water, needle, and so on, you flush it in the toilet, or you bury it, or you throw them in the gutter. So that is how to use it. Believe me, when you try this assignment, you will never regret of doing it. By the grace of Almighty God, will surely share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. If you love this video, please aim to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Ẹni tí mo bára sọ ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́, ìsáná àti abẹ́rẹ́. Abẹ́rẹ́ yẹn ti wà nínú ìkẹtẹ rí yìí. Eléyìí a ti ṣe already, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé, a ti ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀. Ṣé wá rí báwo ni a sì máa ṣe sẹ́rí ìsáná yìí? A kà ní iye ọjọ́ orí wa. Tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ 40 years ni wá, a kà 40. Tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ 30 years ni wá, a kà 30. Tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ 35 years ni wá, a kà 35. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Àwọn àkó sínú òkè ó ní àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ke. Ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́ ìyẹn tá a mọ̀ sí òrombó yìí 7 la máa wá. Abẹ́rẹ́ yẹn náà 7 ni o, a kó sínú òkè yẹn. A wá gé ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́ sí méjì, a fún omi ẹ̀dá sí orí abẹ́rẹ́ yẹn. Tá bá ti wá fún omi ẹ̀, tá bá ti fún omi ẹ̀dá sí orí abẹ́rẹ́ yẹn tí gbogbo ẹ bá ti pé 7 yẹn. So ìsáná yìí orí ẹ̀ dúdú yẹn la máa ha, a máa lọ kúnná, a máa dà sínú omi ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́ yẹn. A máa pò pọ̀ dáadáa. Tá a bá ti fẹ́ lò ó, ìka àárín wa méjèèjì òun là á kì bọ́nú ẹ̀, là á máa fi pa ara, á fi pa ọwọ́ wa, á fi pa gbogbo ara wa. Ní a lè ṣe kíní kalẹ̀ ní àárọ̀, ká wá lò láago 8:30 lọ́jọ́ Tuesday, ọjọ́ Ìṣẹ́gun. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. So a fi para látòkè délẹ̀ ni. Tó bá ti wá dé 8:30 tá a ti fi para yẹn, tó bá ti di 9 tàbí 9:30, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ fi omi àti ọṣẹ ká fi wẹ̀ dànù. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, níwẹ̀ ká kábàámọ̀. Tí àwa tí a bá jẹ́ pé a ní bóyá balòpọ̀ pẹ̀lú olólùfẹ́ wa, àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa lálàkàlà tàbí nǹkan kan tí ń ṣe wá nú ara tí ò yé wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká tètè ṣe kíní yìí. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, á gbà kó nu aburú pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run. Sẹ́rí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ojú báyìí lọ́nà ni, èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè.
Lọ́la kó báyà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó báyà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Allah wa alakiru asọhiru abatinu ọlọ́run ọba ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde.